and Rachel, the PC rep for P4M, we've all been working hard to create online e-Christmas cards to spread festive cheer and to stay safe. Have a look as our school wishes you and your nursery friends a very Merry Christmas. Love is Onthank. Bye, Merry Christmas.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Well everyone, what a brilliant way to end the year together. Thank you to all our families, friends and community for following the guidelines and keeping each other safe at Onthank.
As a final surprise, we're excited to announce Britain's Got Talent winner and West End professional Jai McDowell for an amazing performance and special message just for Onthank Primary. The show must go on! Spotlight, curtains, Onthank Christmas Assembly Grand Finale, go!
Of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Hi everyone, it's Jai McDowell here. I just want to wish you all at Onthank Primary a very Merry Christmas.
Thank you Jai. We wish you and your family a safe, special Christmas. Hopefully you might be able to visit us next year in person.
You know what, Blue? I think this assembly's been the best yet.
Why?
Because our rights respecting school and pupil council masters have led us from start to finish. Well done guys, you've been amazing!
What about Mrs. Wright, Mrs. Finlay and Mr. McElroy? Shouldn't we finish with a message from them?
Well, they did send me a video, but I suppose we could play it if we really have to.
Come on Mitchell, they will have a really important message for us. It's not like we'll be dancing around as elves.
Thank you.
Santa's got us working extra hard this year.
I don't think I can dance or swim it anymore.
Come on, you pair. We have one more special message to deliver to the community closest to our hearts. Onthank Primary School and Nursery.
Well, what an incredible Christmas assembly you have all created, full of Christmas cheer and festive fun. Well done, Onthank Pupil Council and Rights Respecting School Ambassadors. You nailed it.
We can now report to Santa that you all stay on the good list. How lovely to include our nursery friends too. We can't wait to welcome you properly to school next year.
Thanks and holiday wishes to our school community partners, Friends of Onthank, Northwest Action Plan and Parent Council for your continued support and acts of kindness.
Santa asked us to pass on a special thank you to all the staff at Onthank Primary, not only for making the Christmas season so wonderful, but for the best year of best practice teaching and learning and life experiences for our young people.
Colleagues and friends, we wish you a safe and happy Christmas time and thank you for everything you have done and will continue to do during these unforeseen times. We really have the best team at Onthank.
Finally, to you, our young people and families of Onthank Primary School, thank you for keeping each other safe, bringing smiles, laughter and joy to staff each and every day. We're especially proud of what you have achieved this year and can't wait to welcome you back to continue your life and learning journey at Onthank in January 2021.
Stay safe,
Stay connected.
Stay together, virtually.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love is Onthank.